Okay. Can we remove the grave if it is in the path? I don't know what do you mean by path. If like Rasul Sallallahu when he constructed the Masjid Nabawi, in the Masjid Nabawi on that plot, there were two graves. So Rasul Sallallahu removed those graves and built the masjid there. So if that is something serious that has to be built on that area or that way, then alhamdulillah you can remove that. And if it is like a road, traveling road, where the cars are going or the trains are going or buses are going and the grave come in between, then either you can change the direction of the road or you can change remove the grave and bury them in a safe place. There is no way in Islam you can insult or disrespect the grave, even if they are the graves of the non-Muslims.